Made some really good calls. Had did some really a lot of homework this morning and last night, and was able to come up with a really solid game plan. So I'll go and go over it to you. We did play. Just want to make some notes as I'm going over the charts. Let's start with the Tesla play. This was a wonderful trade. I called long this morning at 775 with room to 770 to add. I wanted the stock to pop to $800 or more, and I want you to see the stock how that one reacted out of the gate on Tesla today. And it was a wonderful trade. A lot of people banked on it, including myself. Here's the call this morning at 775 long in pre-market. Room to 770 to add. Have a nice average. I was looking for the stock to ramp through 800. The stock hit $810. Actually ramped all the way to 805 on it at the opening bell. So that was a wonderful, wonderful trade. Incredible. Expedia was another one that we did today. I was looking for a topping. I wanted a little bit more pop at the open, then a sell off to 118. I ended up selling off to 119.89, just under 120 on it. The next one we did was Carg. Carg was a really good play today. I simply wanted to pull back to $25 and then go long the stock, and the stock ended up going back up to $26.50 for a 1.5 play. The other one we did was Roku. I actually got on speaker and told everyone that Roku to me was a sell-off today and would be all profit taking. The stock ended up diving down to 127, and this was really due to the CEO on CNBC. It had a base here at the 141, 142, and he just came on the screen and he just ruined his stock. So it was a lot of profit taking, just went off, and I scalp traded this. I went from red to green and stayed green, and I continued to add green in when I was doing my secret sauce. So I'm very proud of the way I traded that today. I have, I really am. I'm just proud of myself. It was a great short though at 150, and I called room to 155. I think I called it right here. I'll show it to you. Roku 152, and then I wanted to come down to 145 and under, and of course it's just sold off even more so. It was a really great trade. Another great trade in the room by many that took advantage was Batai. I'll show it to you. Batai got a massive upgrade, swing idea to $50 or more. I was looking for a pullback to $32 a share. If you hit 30, I want you to add. I want you to see the base of it. Stock came all the way down to on Batai. This was a great play today. Stock sold off to $32 a share and then came back up. That was a beauty. And we were shorting from 43 per the notes to 32. And then we were going to long it from 32 and then add at 30 bottom curl, and it went back up to 40. I do think it's a nice swing idea from here. As long as they don't do an offering, it should be a good play there. The next one we did was CGC. This was a short at $24, room to 25 to add. I was calling for $22 and under. It hit just that at 21.75. And TLRY, I called for a short at open, pop it open to $17, $18 a share. It hit $17.98. On this one, after I did the research, I determined the stock was worth about $16.75 before it would find bottom, and it did that just today, $16.70. It was right on the money. Really great call by us. Yelp was along to $35 a share today, and the reason is because Yelp gets bought up on weakness because of potential buyouts. So this one got hit on earnings, but I told everyone to long the stock and look for 34.50 to 35.50 on the stock. Want to fill half the gap. There's no short in Yelp. And the other one that we did today was NVIDIA. NVIDIA was a well-known play in the chat room. It's been bought up for the last 10 days into earnings. You can see right here from 234 all the way to 272. Every analyst had this. I already told you 4 days ago that I thought that NVIDIA was going to do well into the earnings, and it did. The chat room was very skeptical for me to go long it. I listened to their advice. I have no regrets, but next time I have 50 analysts tell me that to long the stock in earnings, I'm going to take 25 or 50 shares just for the hell of it. So, or 100 shares, but it was a great trade after hours. And today, the way I traded it, I felt that I want you to really take a look at what I wrote. I said NVIDIA was a topping of 292 to 295. So I wanted a quick pop at the open at 292, pull it down, gap fill it to around 280 if I could get it, bottom curl, and then go back to 295. And I want you to see how I played that. So here it goes, ding, 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 ding. There's the 292 pop from the open, so you got about 5 points to the upside. Came down another 5 points to the downside, stopped, found a base. I made money on this trade, traders. It was a good trade for me. I was so proud of the way I traded it. And then it bottom curled, and I just chased it upwards, and I was looking for 292 to 295 per my notes, and the stock hit 294.97 within 3 cents of my predetermined plan. Today was a wonderful day if you were in our chat room. I had a lot of fun. Monday is a holiday, and it should be a study day, and nothing more than a study. You need to study. It is the day for secret sauce. It is the day to watch past webinars on YouTube. It is a day to get ready, because come Monday, we're going to tear it up again. And come Tuesday, we're going to do it all over again. So it is a short week next week, but we're going to have a lot of volatility. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's hope the coronavirus shows calmness over the weekend. Hopefully we get a containment on it. And hopefully we'll have positive news come Monday. I'm not holding anything into the weekend unless Roku hits 125 after hours. I will buy that stock and hold that overnight and open up with a 130 pop and sell it for 5 points. I love you all. Thank you for a wonderful day to trade with me. You're all marvelous, amazing people. Thank you so much.